I want you guys to recognize that progress can only be made when you put yourself out there, you put a product out there yourself. See, we all walk around each day and what's the reality of ourselves? Think about this. What is the reality of ourselves? To you, I am a walking around finished product. To me, I am nothing near that, right? I am constantly evolving all the time. Every single day, tomorrow I'll be better. Next day, Saturday, Sunday, I'll be doing stuff, getting better, right? Personal stuff, things with my wife, things with my dogs, things with my family, things with you guys, prepping you something else. And I am constantly, right, on arrival. The only way to make real progress is to constantly pump things out. And then you put them out, and it's version 1.0, then 1.1, then 1.2, then 2.0, and so on. Don't be afraid to put something out that is imperfect. I don't want you to put out an airplane if the airplane can't fly and it can't make it from Chicago to Los Angeles perfectly. I mean, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about you as a human being and a lot of the stuff that you put out. Don't be afraid. Pull the trigger. The boss hunting cover letter, put it out. Put it in motion. See what happens. Right? If you don't like it, you look at the data, you try to figure out why. Revise it, make it better next time. Do it over and over and over. Right? To ourselves, we're not finished products. To everybody else, we look like a finished product the moment that they meet us. We're not. You're not. You never will be. And I say that so that in hopes of getting you to go, to do it. And you'll never get it until you get into it. And you're not going to know if the boss hunting cover letter is going to work until you try it. And I'm not going to know if people are going to love the dollar trial or hate the dollar trial. Guess what? I'm going to spend all weekend and I'm going to put that damn thing out there and I'm going to see. And if it falls on its face, that tells me something. Guess what? I might try it again sometime. You know what? I might try it again in a different environment. Maybe the dollar idea was great, but maybe the coronavirus pandemic, poo-pooed it. I don't know. Maybe it's just what you needed. Think about that. Put it out there. The world needs you. The world does not need you hiding in your house, even though we're all hiding in our houses right now. I don't know why I went on that rant, but get in motion.